At CES 2024, I was introduced to Mesiontech. It's a chip manufacturer that has algorithm. So let the AI introduce the company.
The company possesses multiple core interaction algorithms that have been validated by millions of users from leading companies, forming a complete set of algorithm and system capabilities in areas such as VSLAM, self-tracking controllers, low-latency rendering, optical calibration, cloud maps, gestures, and 6DoF for head-hand tracking. These provide excellent virtual reality interaction experiences. By developing specialized ASIC chips, we can address the low power consumption, low latency, high precision, and lightweight requirements of XR. We can also provide customers with complete reference designs for products ranging from algorithm licensing, interaction chips, spatial positioning modules, cloud maps, to AR/VR devices and 6DoF controllers, and achieve efficient and cost-effective solutions for AR/VR.
So let me ask you a question then about this one.
Right.
You said this one has algorithm built in,
Right. That's right.
and it's a dual. What do you guys include? Just the chip making and the algorithm application.
And also the same algorithm here, and we just integrate for
You're integrated.
the security and also like the Cypress for USB. So this one we're going to put our chip, which is called A108A, the chip in here. So this chip right now is just for the MPW status. So we're going to have a more capital and have this one for the mass production here.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.